Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Notes Said 24 channel. Today we will do shadowing practice together. Shadowing means listening and repeating sentences aloud. It helps you speak English more clearly. It helps you remember words and sentences easily. It also helps improve your pronunciation. Shadowing is fun and easy for beginners. In this video, you will learn simple English sentences at the canteen. We will practice at the canteen actions using easy and clear English. Each sentence is short and easy to repeat. Try to say each sentence aloud with me. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Keep practicing and you will improve very fast. But I have one important request for you. Please don't skip any part of this video because every part is important. You need to build your foundation first. Just like building a house, you start from the bottom. Give me your full attention for the next few minutes because today is the day your English speaking changes. Are you ready to start this journey with me? Are you ready to practice 110 sentences? Are you ready to become a confident English speaker? All right, welcome, and let's start and enjoy learning English. I am hungry. I am hungry. The canteen is open. The canteen is open. I go to the canteen. I go to the canteen. The food smells good. The food smells good. I take a tray. I take a tray. The canteen is busy today. The canteen is busy today. I stand in the queue. I stand in the queue. There are many students here. There are many students here. I choose rice and chicken. I choose rice and chicken. The soup looks warm. The soup looks warm. I pay at the counter. I pay at the counter. The food is cheap. The food is cheap. I find a seat. I find a seat. I sit with my friends. I sit with my friends. The table is clean. The table is clean. I drink some water. I drink some water. The juice is cold. The juice is cold. I eat my lunch slowly. I eat my lunch slowly. The rice is hot. The rice is hot. The chicken is delicious. The chicken is delicious. I ask for a fork. I ask for a fork. The canteen lady is kind. The canteen lady is kind. She serves the food quickly. She serves the food quickly. I order a sandwich. I order a sandwich. The bread is fresh. The bread is fresh. I add some salt. I add some salt. The meal is filling. The meal is filling. I finish all the food. I finish all the food. My friend buys a drink. My friend buys a drink. We talk during lunch. We talk during lunch. The canteen opens at noon. The canteen opens at noon. I come here every day. I come here every day. The menu changes daily. The menu changes daily. Today's special is fish. Today's special is fish. I prefer vegetables. I prefer vegetables. The salad looks fresh. The salad looks fresh. I pick up a spoon. I pick up a spoon. There is no more soup. There is no more soup. I ask for more rice. I ask for more rice. The canteen is not far. The canteen is not far. I wash my hands first. I wash my hands first. The food is ready. The food is ready. I carry my tray carefully. I carry my tray carefully. The canteen has many choices. The canteen has many choices. I like the noodles here. I like the noodles here.
The noodles are very tasty. The noodles are very tasty. I buy a bottle of water. I buy a bottle of water. The cashier counts my change. The cashier counts my change. I say thank you. I say thank you. The canteen worker smiles. The canteen worker smiles. I look at the menu board. I look at the menu board. The prices are on the board. The prices are on the board. I do not have enough money. I do not have enough money. My friend pays for me. My friend pays for me. I borrow some money. I borrow some money. The canteen is crowded now. The canteen is crowded now. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. There is a long line. There is a long line. The line moves slowly. The line moves slowly. I finally get my food. I finally get my food. I put my bag on the chair. I put my bag on the chair. My food is getting cold. My food is getting cold. I eat my food quickly. I eat my food quickly. I share food with my friend. I share food with my friend. The dessert is sweet. The dessert is sweet. I take a piece of cake. I take a piece of cake.
The cake tastes very good. The cake tastes very good. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. I wipe my mouth with a napkin. I clear my tray. I clear my tray. I put the tray back. I put the tray back. I throw away the trash. I throw away the trash. The canteen is clean. The canteen is clean. I see my teacher at lunch. I see my teacher at lunch. We eat at the same table. We eat at the same table. The canteen has air conditioning. The canteen has air conditioning. It is cool inside. It is cool inside. I like coming here. I like coming here. The food is always good. The food is always good. I order a glass of milk. I order a glass of milk. The milk is cold and fresh. The milk is cold and fresh. I eat a banana for dessert. I eat a banana for dessert. The fruit is very sweet. The fruit is very sweet. I look for an empty table. I look for an empty table. There are no empty seats. There are no empty seats. I ask if I can sit here. I ask if I can sit here. The person says yes. The person says yes. I sit down and eat. I sit down and eat. The canteen closes at 2. The canteen closes at 2. I come back tomorrow. I come back tomorrow. The food here is healthy. The food here is healthy. I eat vegetables every day. I eat vegetables every day. I drink juice with my meal. I drink juice with my meal. The orange juice is fresh. The orange juice is fresh. I try a new dish today. I try a new dish today. It is my favorite food now. It is my favorite food now. I feel full after lunch. I feel full after lunch. I am ready for class now. I am ready for class now. The canteen is a nice place. The canteen is a nice place. I enjoy eating here. I enjoy eating here. Lunch is my favorite time. Lunch is my favorite time. The canteen has good food. The canteen has good food. I meet new friends here. I meet new friends here. We all eat together. We all eat together. I am happy at the canteen. I am happy at the canteen. I always finish my food. I always finish my food. I do not waste food. I do not waste food. The canteen opens every weekday. The canteen opens every weekday. I look forward to lunch. I look forward to lunch. The canteen has a good smell. The canteen has a good smell.
I feel hungry every lunchtime. I feel hungry every lunchtime. The food gives me energy. The food gives me energy. I go back to class after lunch. I go back to class after lunch. The canteen is my happy place. The canteen is my happy place.
Great job today! You did an amazing job with shadowing. Keep practicing every day. Read slowly first, then try faster. Shadowing helps you speak English clearly. It also helps you remember words and sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice makes you better every day. Try shadowing with your friends or family too. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to NoteSaid 24 channel. Share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye!